according to chikora zvakananda panguva ine kunzi the ruling party ZANU-PF yauya ichideploya a parallel force iri kunzi it is running under the top leadership and it is secretly aiming maadi cap 3 lieutenants panguva ine kuchinokwa kunzi it is capturing, it is killing ameno zvairi kuita kuri kunzi vakomana ava mapictures avo munovaziva nemafaces avo munovaziva is they being shown in the video. These are the individuals vari kunzi they are moving around vachiataka anyone who is opposed to the bill. Ndisati mina mashoko anomuda panguva inoi these parallel structures that was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Chikora zvakananda anodanyora chiti reports suggest mnangagwa secretly arming parallel forces like the presidential mafia to hunt the Cap 3 movement. Such state-sponsored violence and extrajudicial killings are a grave betrayal of office. A head of state must protect the citizens, not hunt them. Doma developments and these individuals, I'm sure munowaziva online, they attack anyone arungori opposed to the Cap 3 exercise their constitutional right. They are attacking them, they are capturing them. Some of them are being killed, some of them vanobonyagariswa. These are the people Zimbabwe. They are being funded, they are being sponsored kuti vaite zvinhu zvavari kuita zviri kuno kunzi tingatoti zviri inhuman, tikatoti zviri unconstitutional, tikatarirutsa but zviri inhuman, zviri against the humanity. What they are doing azviitwi nevanhu vari normal. In comment section medu zvavhundura any more today pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musavana subscribe or like up on the bell icon.